In this video lecture, we are going to discuss how to solve linear equations in one variable when you have the variable on both the sides. Here we have 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 x minus 14. Clearly we have the variable x on both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. What we do is we bring the variables together. So this is 5x transposing 3 by 2x to the right hand side. So this becomes 3 by 2x, and at the same time we transpose 7 by 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So this becomes minus 14 minus 7 by 2. Now this is 3 by 2x means that it's nothing else but 5x minus 3x by 2. This much we know, because this can be written as x by 1, right? So this becomes 3x by 2 is equal to minus 14 and minus 7 by 2. Now this is 5x means 5x by 1. You have to subtract two rational numbers now. The presence of the variable will not make any difference. You will subtract these two rational numbers in the same way as you would have done without the variable. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Write 2 here in the denominator. If you need 2 in the denominator, then 2 divided by 1 gives you the quotient 2. So 5x times 2 minus, we already have the denominator as 2. Write it as it is, and this becomes, this is minus 14 by 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 is again 2. So if you need 2 as a denominator here, this has to be then 14 times 2 minus, this is already 2, so I get 7 here. This becomes 10x divided by 2 minus 3x by 2 is equal to minus 28 2 and minus 7 by 2. This is 10x by 2 minus 3x by 2. So when you take the denominator are the same, so denominators are the same, so write 2 here. Then this becomes 10x minus 3x is equal to, same thing here, that is 2 and minus 28 minus 7. This is 7x by 2 is equal to minus 35 by 2. Now multiplying both the sides by 2. Okay, so this becomes 7x by 2 times 2, and this becomes minus 35 times 2. So this gets cancelled. You get 7x is equal to minus 35, that is x is equal to minus 35 divided by 7. You get x is equal to minus 5. If you want to cross check it, simply put this value of x here. So 5 times minus 5 is minus 25 plus 7 by 2, and this side will be 3 by 2 times minus 5 minus 14. So this becomes minus 25 times 2 plus 7 by 2. If you solve it, you get minus 50 plus 7 is minus 43 by 2. Now on this side you'll get minus 15 by 2 minus 14. This becomes minus 15 minus 14 times 2 divided by 2. You get 15 minus 15 minus 28 by 2. You get minus 43 by 2. Right? So we have cross-checked our value. In the next one we have 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. So first simplify it, you get 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Which property we are using it? This is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. If you solve it, you get 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4, right? Because here we have minus 3 plus 7 is 4. From here you get 8x transpose this 3x to the left hand side, that is minus 3x, is equal to, at the same time you transpose 4 to the right hand side, so this is 4 minus 4. You get 5x is equal to 0. Therefore, if you divide both the left hand side and the right hand side by 5, you get x as 0. You get x as 0. If you want to cross check it, simply put the values here. 8 times 0 means 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Here you have 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Minus 1 times 3 is 3. Sorry, minus 1 times 3 is minus 3 plus 7. You solve it, you get 4, right? So it means our answer is correct. In this one we have x is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. Simply applying distributivity of multiplication over addition, this gives you x is equal to 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5 times 10, right? Now if you solve this, you get transposing 4 by 5x to the right hand side, left hand side, sorry. So this is x minus 4x by 5. This is 4 by 5x means what? 4x by 5 only, same thing, is equal to, this is 4 by 5 times 10, right? So if you solve this, you get 5x minus 4x by 5, and this is, if you solve it, this is 40 divided by 5. This gives you x by 5 is equal to 8, and this gives you x is equal to 40. If you want to cross check it, simply put the values here. So this side comes as 40, okay? If you solve here, this is 405 times 40 plus 10 is 50, and this becomes 10 times 4 is 40, right? Same thing. In this example, question, we have 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x plus 15 plus 3. Simply transpose 7x by 15 to the left hand side. This becomes 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15. At the same time, we transpose 1 to the right hand side, 3 minus 1. This becomes, now you have to subtract two rational numbers, take the LCM of 3 and 15. The LCM will be 15. Now if you want the LCM as 15 in this case, write 15, divide 15 by 3, you get 5 as the quotient. So this becomes 5 times 2x minus, you already have 15 here, so simply write 7x. This becomes 2. This is 10x divided by 15 minus 7x divided by 15 is equal to 2. 15, this is 10x minus 7x is equal to 2. You get 3x by 15 is equal to 2. Now if this is 3x by 15, this is actually what, 2 by 1. applying cross product, that is multiply this one with this one and multiply this one with this one, you get 3x is equal to 30, and you get x. If you divide both the right hand side and the left hand side by 3, you get x is equal to 10, right? If you want to cross check it, put 10 here. 2 times 10 is 20, so 20 divided by 3 plus 1, this is 20 plus 3 divided by 3, you get 23 by 3. Put the value here. 7 times 10 is 70 over 15 plus 3, this becomes 70 plus 3 times 15 divided by 15, and you get 70 plus 45 means what? 115. 70 plus 45, yes, 115 divided by 15. If you take the highest common factor, you get highest common factor as 5. 115 divided by 5 means 23. 15 divided by 5 means 3. So yes, this is coming correct. The answer is correct.